In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best electric air fryers available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the electric air fryers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the electric air fryers mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, New Visual Air Fryer Oven 15L. This 15L air fryer oven is a versatile household appliance, designed to cater to large family meals. With a visible cooking window, you can monitor food without opening the fryer, keeping the heat consistent. Its oil-free cooking technology promotes healthier meals, reducing up to 85% of oil while maintaining crisp and delicious textures. The multifunction settings allow baking, roasting, grilling, and more, offering a range of cooking possibilities. Compatible with both 220V and 110V, this air fryer oven is adaptable for global use, making it a great choice for modern kitchens. Number 4, 8L Air Fryer with 360 degrees baking and non-stick basket. The Sonifer 8L Air Fryer offers a spacious design suitable for family-sized portions. It features 360 degrees baking technology that ensures even cooking without the need for oil, making it ideal for health-conscious users. The non-stick basket allows for easy cleaning and prevents food from sticking, even with minimal oil. This air fryer is perfect for cooking chicken, fries, or even baked goods, providing a healthier twist on your favorite fried dishes. Its efficient heating element enables quick, convenient, and energy-saving cooking. Number 3, Electric Air Fryer 4.5L/6L with Smart LED Touchscreen. With 4.5L and 6L options, this smart electric air fryer caters to both small and medium households. It features an LED touchscreen for precise control over temperature and timing, offering a seamless cooking experience. The multifunctional design allows you to bake, fry, roast, and grill with minimal oil. Its automatic cooking settings make it easy for beginners to create delicious meals without hassle. The compact yet spacious design is ideal for kitchens with limited space, providing maximum functionality without compromising on quality. Number 2, 12L Oil-Free Smart Visual Air Fryer with Glass Lightwave Oven. This 12L air fryer combines a visual cooking window with smart glass lightwave technology, allowing you to view your food while it cooks. It offers an oil-free frying option to support a healthier lifestyle while retaining the taste and crispiness of fried foods. Equipped with multiple functions, it can bake, roast, or even dehydrate foods, making it a highly versatile addition to any kitchen. Its smart design includes touch control for intuitive operation, making it both user-friendly and efficient. Number 1, 7L Smart LED Touch Control Air Fryer 1400W. The 7L Smart Air Fryer is designed with an LED touch control panel for easy navigation and precise settings. With its 1400W power, it heats quickly, delivering crispy, oil-free results with minimal cooking time. BPA-free, it ensures safe cooking and is suitable for various recipes, including fries, meats, and baked goods. The convection technology promotes even heat distribution, guaranteeing well-cooked meals without the need for excess oil. Ideal for healthy cooking, this fryer combines convenience with functionality for everyday use.